Why is my Pixel stand not charging? This is the case and solutions from Google Official Support PageFix. A Pixel stand not charging or won't charge. Quick info about Pixel stand. You can use your Pixel stand to charge phones that are Qi certified. If you have a Pixel 6 Pro, 6, 5, 4, or 3, you can also get help from your Google Assistant while your phone is charging on your Pixel stand. Charging PowerPixel stand 2nd Gen allows for fast wireless charging at up to 1. 23W for Pixel 6 Pro, additional steps needed. 2. 21W for Pixel 6, additional steps needed. 3. 10W for Pixel 3/3 XL, Pixel 4/4 XL, and Pixel 5. 4. 15W for other Qi-compatible devices. Pixel stand also wirelessly charges Pixel Buds and third-party Qi-compatible earbuds. Actual charging speed depends on a variety of factors, like whether the user has a case and the battery level of the device. The first-generation Pixel stand allows for wireless charging at up to 1. 10W for all compatible Pixel phones. 2. 5W for other Qi-compatible devices. Actual charging speed depends on a variety of factors, like whether the user has a case and the battery level of the device. Unlock high-power charging to unlock up to 23W charging on your Pixel 6 Pro and up to 21W charging on your Pixel 6. 1. Make sure your phone is on the latest software version. Fast wireless charging with up to 23W is available with SQ1D.21120.5.016, A1 and SQ1D.22010.5.007 and will be available with later software versions. 2. Complete Pixel stand app onboarding. After you install the latest Pixel phone software updates and complete Pixel stand app onboarding, you can charge wirelessly at up to 23W and enjoy fan controls, photo frames, immersive media, and other exclusive Pixel stand experiences. Requirements for Pixel stand. Phones that work with Pixel stand. Your Pixel stand can charge any phone that works with Qi wireless charging, like the Pixel 6 Pro, 6, 5, or 4. If you're not sure if your phone uses Qi, check your phone's tech specs or contact the manufacturer. Cases that work with Pixel stand. Your Pixel stand can charge your phone through most phone cases that are up to 3 mm thick. These cases include 1. Made by Google cases for Pixel. 2. Most made for Google cases. 3. Google's My Case for Pixel 3. Depending on what your phone's case is made of, your phone could charge slowly or not at all. Your Pixel stand can't charge phones through cases that have metal, batteries, or attachments, like mounts or grips. Fix problems with your Pixel stand. Phone won't charge wirelessly after each of the following solutions. Check if your charger has started working. 1. Take off your case and any attachments, like mounts or grips. 2. Check that your phone's screen is facing out, with the back against the Pixel stand. 3. Center your phone on the Pixel stand. 4. Try charging both with your phone upright and on its side. 5. Use the cable and power adapter that came in the box with your Pixel stand. 6. Make sure the cable is plugged into the power adapter, and the power adapter is plugged into a working power outlet. Orange light shows on the base your Pixel stand is having trouble charging your phone. After each step below, check if your charger has started working. 1. Remove your phone from your Pixel stand, then put it back on. 2. Make sure your phone is centered on your Pixel stand. 3. Try charging both with your phone upright and on its side. 4. Take off your phone case, then put your phone back on your Pixel stand. Phone or Pixel stand feels warm or hot. If your phone or Pixel stand feels warmer than normal while charging, there usually isn't cause for concern. It's normal for your phone or Pixel stand to get warmer during charging. If your phone is charging from a very low battery, your phone or Pixel stand might feel especially warm. 1. Learn how to help keep your device from feeling too warm or hot. 2. To learn how to charge safely, read the safety manual for your Pixel stand. Pixel stand is dirty. 1. Remove your phone from your Pixel stand. 2. Unplug your Pixel stand from its cable. 3. Using isopropyl alcohol (IPA) wipes, gently wipe the surface. 4. Let dry before placing your phone back on your Pixel stand. Can't find Pixel stand settings with talkback turned on. When you charge your phone on your Pixel stand, for the first 15 seconds, the top right corner of your phone's screen shows the Pixel stand settings icon. After 15 seconds, the Pixel stand settings icon disappears. To open Pixel stand settings with talkback turned on. 1. With 2 fingers, tap your phone's screen once. 2. To find Pixel stand settings, with 1 finger, swipe or explore by touch, then double tap anywhere on the screen. Still have issues with your Pixel phone?
For possible solutions to other issues with your phone, you can post questions on our forums to the Pixel community. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphone/community/. Also, if you have Pixel phone issues, please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.